Dear students, in the last class I explained you about the Third Carnatic War. The Third Carnatic War you have learned how British defeated their rivals Dutch, French and Portuguese, and also you learned how British consolidated their power in South India. Today further we are going to learn about the British rule in India. After consolidating a power in South India, after conquering the South India, the British tried to conquer the control over the Bengal provinces. So understand children this one, Bengal provinces. So after conquering South India, the British tried to control over Bengal. The British tried to control over Bengal. This Bengal provinces was controlled or ruled by Mughal emperor or the Mughal rulers. So after conquering the South India, the British tried to control over Bengal, which was controlled or which was under the rule of a Mughal emperor. As a result, East Indian Company will approach for the Mughal emperors to get a trade in a Bengal. The East Indian Company felt it may become the profit. So Mughal ruler Farooq, remember children, Mughal ruler Farooq Sire will give the permission as a dastaks for the British. Who will give permission as a dastaks? So Mughal ruler Farooq Sire will issue the dastaks for the British. What is the meaning of dastaks? Dastaks in the sense it is a license issued by the Mughal Emperor Farooq. For example, you want to drive. After 18 years, the government will issue a driving license for you. That is considered as a license to drive your vehicles. Same way, to make the business in the Bengal, the Mughal ruler has issued a dastaks for the British. They felt what? Who felt? So Mughal emperor felt that it is more profit. But what happened? Instead of dastak which is limited only for the East Indian Company. So dastak which is issued to trade for the East Indian Company. It is only for the East Indian Company. Instead of that, individual officers in the company has misused this dastaks. Everybody started to make their own profit. See, why we do the business? Because we want a profit. Correct, my children? We want a profit. So, instead of getting a profit, so every individual of the East Indian Company, they started to make the money. As a result, so Bengal provinces, Bengal government has to face a huge loss. Bengal government means which government? That is a Mughal ruler's government. That is a Farooq Sire. Mughal ruler has to face a huge loss. As a result, the Nawab opposed such a misuse of a dasttak. As a result, what happened? The two great wars has been held. One is the Battle of Plassey, another one is the Battle of Buxar. In the next class, it is very simple children, very simple. So why the Battle of, what is the reason for the Battle of Buxar and the Battle of Plassey? So just you have to understand, after the Battle of Third Carnatic War, the British has consolidated control power over the South India. As a result, so they had planned, after conquering the South India, British tried to conquer the Bengal provinces. So next what happened? The East Indian Company approached for the Bengal provinces. Why? They were good in agriculture, commerce, industry and all the way. So after approaching, East Indian Company will approach for the Mughal Emperor, that Farooq Sire will give the dastaks or the license for the East Indian Company. Here in the East Indian Company, each individual officer started to misuse this particular dastaks. As a result, the Bengal provinces has to face huge loss. So huge government in the sense here, Mughal emperor has to face a huge loss. So as a result, what happened? So everybody, all the Nawabs have started to, so they have started to fight against the British. How they have fought? So what are the causes? What are the result of the Battle of Plassey? We will learn in the next video. Any doubts you can ask me children. Thank you.